everyone, welcome back to Do It Frugal, where every week I share budget-friendly cooking, cleaning, organising, decorating and lifestyle content. If you haven't already subscribed, hit that subscribe button and smash that notification bell so you can be notified of all my new uploads. Today's frugal recipe is how to make pumpkin soup. First thing that we're going to start off with is we're going to start off with some oil in our pan, and then we're going to add our onion and our pumpkin. We're also going to add our potato and our bay leaves. Nice and simple. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to saute these in the pan for about 5 minutes until you get a little bit of caramelization, but not too much. You don't want to burn or brown the vegetables too much. You just want to give them a little bit of flavor and start them cooking. And you probably don't want to throw everything on the floor. The next thing you're going to do once everything is nice and caramelized and you've cooked them for a few minutes is to add your chicken stock. Now I just prepare my chicken stock from a bouillon. I use Vegeta. If you've heard of that brand, you can use any chicken stock you like. And then what we're going to do is allow it to come to the boil and simmer for about 30 minutes until the vegetables are nice and tender. I just cover it up and I leave it for half an hour on low, let it simmer, and when I come back, the vegetables are usually nice and tender, and the last step is we're going to go ahead and blend them up. That's really all we're going to do. You can have it chunky if you like. I prefer my pumpkin soup blended down into a nice, so that it's nice and smooth, but it's really up to you. You do want to take out those bay leaves. You want to salt and pepper to taste so that it's the right seasoning for you, and then you want to go ahead and you want to blend it with I'm just using my stick blender. You can also use a blender that sits on your bench and just blend it up in there. I do go ahead and warm it up a little bit after I've blended it, just to get it up nice to temperature again before I serve it, and then I serve it up. You'll notice that the potato makes soup nice and thick. It really is luscious, particularly on a cold winter's night. And then I just serve it with a bread roll, a homemade bread roll, and a little bit of sour cream. I hope you like this video. I hope you enjoy it. As always, the ingredients are down in the description box, and I will see you next time on Do It Frugal. Bye!